Hello, this is the monthly grocery haul. The hosts are Small Town 6 and Jessica Myers. Check out their channel, and the link is in my description box. Also, the link to the playlist so you can find out all kinds of new items that people bought for their groceries that may be new to you. This month, I did a very small Myers haul, and I showed some new items that I found. So small that it was only 3 items. And then we also went to Costco's, and we showed what we got, and we found some fall decor and things that they have there that's kind of neat and different this year. So I hope you enjoy. First, we went to Myers for a small little haul. All we really got was milk, salad mix, and then we found this ice cream. It's a Little Debbie ice cream, and there's all different flavors. And we tried the Nutty Butter ice cream in this Little Debbie brand. Has anybody else tried any of the flavors, and did you like it or did you not? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to know which one of these was really good and which one might not be, because this is the first time I've ever seen this.
Hey, we're at Costco. Here's our shopping haul. Got some hash browns, elderberry, chewable, immune system, calcium D, vitamin D, chewable, vitamin C. We got 2 Swiss Miss, a cereal, a vinegar, 3 packs of French vanilla, coffee creamer, a Mountain Dew, a Pepsi, 36 packs. We love these chicken nuggets. These Purdue, they're real good. And the stuffing mix is real good. It's a 3-pack, 7 something. And then we got oatmeal. Yeah, Melissa said Thanksgiving's around the corner. These are great for your salads. And then back here, I don't know if I said vinegar. That's stuffing. There's an oatmeal variety pack right there. 52 packets. Another stuffing. Melissa's favorite, club crackers. We got a peanut butter, a coffee. Get your coffee, folks. It's going up. It's expensive. It's $12 for that Folgers coffee right there now. 2 water. This soup is fantastic. Really good. It's chicken noodle soup. Chunks of chicken. Got some paper towels. Chicken stock. They didn't have beef stock. Did I miss anything? Okay, that's our chicken. I'm sorry, that's our grocery haul. I don't know why I wanted to say chicken. Okay. Gotta stop. Yeah, I showed the bottom. Okay, I'll just go around it one more time. This is good. Swiss Miss. Yeah, ready for winter. Melissa's drinking more water, so I got the water. What? What's that? She wants, these hash browns are easy to fix. I'm not sure how much they are, but you add hot water, leave them sitting, and throw them in a skillet. Yeah, they're good for breakfast or with the meal. They do make a couple servings. This is 7, but it depends on how much you eat. Okay, well, this is our grocery haul at Costco. I recommend this chicken noodle soup, and so does Melissa. It is really, really good. This Folgers coffee is $12. Yeah, it's good for the winter or any time. Oh, the soup's only around the fall and winter time. That's what she wants me to tell you. Okay. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye-bye.
When we went to Costco's, we found these cute little melt cocoa bombs that were eyeballs, perfect for a Halloween party. Also, we found these skeletons that played the banjo and played cute music. We thought they were so cute. Also, we found some fall pillows that we really liked and would be great for decorating this season. And we also found some ribbon that was for Christmas and fall. The only thing is we found that the price had went up $2 a roll from last year. It went from $6.49, I think, to $8.49. I'm not sure about the cents on the end, but that's what we found on our Costco haul.